Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rank your new website on Google's first page. I know your frustration because when you go through keyword research and you can see all the big authority websites have taken all the big keywords and you feel like, come on, give me a break, right? We would like to make a new website and rank our website as well. So the biggest mistake people do at the beginning, they go for bigger search volume or bigger keywords. And when you make content for bigger keywords, when your website has no authority, when your website has no backlinks, when your website doesn't have much content, so your content is gonna rank nowhere, right? So that's the thing. But the other thing is, these big authority websites, they did not come in one day to that level, right? They also started from the same level and they were doing again and again. They were making content continuously and then they were giving more value to their customers, their audience, and now they have bigger authority, right? So the good news is there is a strategy. You can rank your website on the first page as well. So the big keywords, they will take some time, but with this strategy you can see your keywords, it's like smaller keywords and less competitive keywords, ranking on the first page. Yes, it is all about the keyword research. When you do not target the big keywords at the beginning, you are in the right direction. So let's go to the screen and I'll show you my strategy, how we can rank your newer website on Google's first page. So if you are new to this channel, if you see this channel at the first time, my name is Nimantha Dias. I'm a SEO specialist and I'm an internet marketer as well. So this channel I started again because I didn't have some time to do it. So now I'm back again. So I'm not gonna stop. I will give you valuable content every week. So do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And also if you have a question, put a comment below. So let's say that is something like this and then something like this. Sorry for my bad drawing but you know, it is a little bit difficult. Okay, so this is my strategy. So these are the competition level. All right, these are the competition levels. So like I said before, the biggest mistake people do, they make a content. Let's say this is their content, right? This is their content. Maybe it is 2000 words, right? 2000 words. And then there's a keyword, let's say 5000, let's say 5k. Okay, 5k searches. This is their website and their website has 0 backlinks and that means 0 authority too. It's not much content. Maybe there are 2-3 articles, right? So they make content targeting here, right? So this is the biggest mistake people do. And then this article is going like Google is putting you down. Go back, go back, go back, you know, so go back. That means it's gonna ranking nowhere, right? And most of the time I have seen when your website has no authority, when your website is really new and your website has 0 backlinks, you are going through this one, right? This one, sandbox, right? So that means you are in Google's probation period, right? So what we do is, let's say, mm, keep that 5K, right, keyword away. Don't look at that keyword. Okay, you can make your list, your targeting keyword list, and what kind of content you're making. That's okay, but do not target the first articles or first content about the bigger searches, right? So start from the beginning. So let's say these are the competition levels, okay, right? So this competition is the easiest one, right? So that means this these keywords can be like 50 searches for 1 month, or 20 searches for 1 month, or 10 searches for 1 month, or maybe the keyword tools are saying there are no searches even. But the thing is, all these keywords tools what we are using, it's a estimate. Okay, they are not exactly right. No one knows how many people are searching one keyword. I will show you how we measure these competition levels, right? I have a good keyword research tool for it, which is not expensive at all. And yeah, so and then once you hit these keywords, you can move to the next one, and then you can move to the next one. You can move to the next one, and then you can move to the next one. So the thing is, we need to understand these competition levels properly. Now I am in this keyword tool called Key Search. There is a link in the description. If you guys buy through my link, I will get few dollars as commission, and these commissions help me to bring more valuable content about internet marketing every week. So if you buy through my link, I really appreciate it. So thank you. And other thing is, this tool is not expensive at all. It is $17. So once you use my coupon code in the description, you will get it for $13. Same example I actually used for other videos, right? So there is this dog breed called Irish Wolf Hound. Okay, so now I have given the keyword here, the main, so the seed keyword, right? So I can see it is 53. It is fairly difficult, so it's really common keyword, right? So I will put this difficulty guide. Okay, so I'm showing you this level first, right? If you remember, so I'm talking about this level, the easiest level. So when I do the keyword research a little bit, I can see there's a keyword called something like this, right? So you can exactly, like I told you, 50, it's not a big amount, but it's very easy. Okay, so how I say that, this is the SERP, right? So this is first search result of the Google, and you can see the domain authority and the page authority and some authority links, and when you put the mouse point here, and they are saying what it is. Okay, so these two are domain authority and page authority, which come from Moz, right? So you can see 18, 16, 9, 10, 2, 14. So this is why it is a easy keyword, right? So when you see a lot of green, first you can check the domain authority. That's the most important one here, right? When you see 91, which is Reddit, and this one maybe what it is, okay, this is 27. And there are some things you need to understand when you want to rank your new website in Google first page. You have to know how can you know when the search is little bit weak. Okay, so like this Reddit, right? So Reddit is a user generated website, right? So user generated content actually, right? So people write this is from the users, right? Normally it's a good sign when you see Quora or other forums, right, or Reddit, and the search, that means search is little bit weak, because Google would love to rank one website or one page about this particular keyword. Okay, so but the thing is, when there are not many relevant content, and then the Quora and Reddit and these forums are coming, so that's a good sign. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to learn this stuff. And normally when your website is maybe 1 2 3 months old or something, you can just go even when you see domain authority under 18, it is also a good sign, right? But your website is really new, that means you really need to check this domain authority and these websites as well, right? Because we are looking for this easy keyword like 50, 20 and 10, right? So less authority, less competitive website. And the good thing is there's another technique, right? There's another technique. So like this website, okay, so this website we can check here, ranking. So this website is ranking for this much keyword. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go back here. I get this website's URL. Okay, this is actually what we are doing is reverse engineering. Okay, so copy that. You can see it's a new website. It doesn't have a big domain authority like that. And the point is, when that website is ranking for many keywords, that means you can also rank your new website for those keywords as well, right? So I will click here, explore. Yeah, okay. So you can see there are many keywords ranking with this website, right? There are easy keywords, right? Not all are in the first page. Obviously there are some big ones as well. Nourishable home price, but you can target these keywords. Okay, so because we are using the easy level, okay, so an example. So this keyword is a blue one, right? I will actually display here as well the keyword competition level guide, right? I will put a picture, but these actually, but these numbers, so 16, 20, you know, when the number is high and the competition is high, okay, but this is regarding to key search SEO tool, okay. So but it is not all the time correct, I mean 100%, okay. You have to check manually these websites and the domain authority like we just did before, right? But when we say these colors, we can have like an idea, because like an example, so Reddit, right? So Reddit has a bigger domain authority, but that doesn't mean we can't outrank Reddit, right? We can outrank Reddit when the website has good content, relevant content for sure. So that's why these, with these numbers, this tool is calculating this final number, okay. So that's why you have to check manually. You have to look at this picture here, right? When you start, it's better if you can find these kind of keywords, right? But when you reverse engineer a website, a less authority website, and when you see those keywords, and then you can prepare your content for that level, that means this one, the first level, right? And then you can repeat, right? Then you can do it to the next level and next level, but make sure you can rank first level, right? And the second level, sorry, this picture is a little bit messy, this level and this level and this level, right? I think I explained it in other videos as well. When you rank your website for easy keywords, right, then you get actually Google's trust. Google trust is a good thing, right? Google is our friend. Of course, you have to build your content. So there's a tool in here. Let's say this keyword we use, this one, 16. Copy. It's actually kind of interesting. So this tool, checking on Google for this keyword, what are the websites are ranking, right? And those 10 websites, this tool brings back, so must word, right? So these are the LSI keywords. So must words known as LSI keyword here. This is written as well. These words should be in the article, okay. And average count is 3007, right? So average, you can see it's a little bit small, but I like this content assistant. So then you can type the content here. So when you type it like this, and these, you can see this, now the words are 10, so like this, right? I think it's a good tool, right? And of course you have to check each first, maybe you can first 5 6, maybe first 4 first search result, right? You can see what they have written. Do not copy. Of course you don't copy. Let's say this website, okay, copy here and see how they have written their content. Okay, they have inner backlinks. If you do this manually, you can check. I'll show you, maybe you know this tool, and then you can count these words, and then they are saying 793, right?
and you can check those first 5 or 6 results and then do your content. Important step is do the keyword research and then start from the beginning, like I showed you from here. It's a little bit messy right now, I'm sorry again. So I think now you know how to rank your new website on Google first page. This is not that difficult, right? And don't go crazy about backlinks, right? Don't go crazy about backlinks. Make the content start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. If you do not start from the like 5K searches, big searches, big keywords, you don't need backlinks for this content. You know, most of the time I have ranked those articles. I haven't made a single backlinks, but they are still ranking.
All right, that's it. I hope you learn how to rank a new website on Google first page. So if you like this tutorial and if you like this kind of content about SEO, about internet marketing, please subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you have a question, please put here. I will reply to all the questions as well. So see you in the next video.